ìjọba nàìjíríà tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Ní báyìí àwọn NLC ti pariwo síta wípé ìjọba nàìjíríà ti lọ kó àwọn sójà wá láti dá àwọn dúró ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ò ní gbà. Yoruba Nation is just the answer. All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. It's a breaking news. Labour leaders raises alarm as soldiers surround meeting venue with Nigerian government. All right, my people, the news in details. Well, according to a post on its official Facebook page, soldiers are currently at the premises of the Secretariat to the government of the Federation, to the Secretary to the government of the Federation SGF. Well, the Nigerian Labour Congress NLC has raised alarm over the presence of soldiers at the venue of its meeting with the federal government. According to a post on its official Facebook page, soldiers are currently at the premises of the Secretary to the government of the Federation SGF. Well, onto this, it further posted that any attempt to intimidate, blackmail labor leaders at the negotiating table will be resisted, while strike action will be further be prolonged. Yes, and then onto this one, the NLC and the TUC are on strike to protest the minimum wage of the country, which the country is proposing at 60,000 naira, while the NLC is demanding 494,000 naira as minimum wage. Major sectors of the country have been shut down due to strike action. The government is yet to comment to this development as of the time of this report. Now, as it stands, majority of people are out right now. You know, we have said it times to that number. Everybody is now of the opinion that I beg, make una give us light. Fún wa níná torí Ọlọ́run, kẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe o. Fún wa níná, at least ká tiẹ̀ rí iná lò. But right now, the old stuff is now that everybody must face it. But is the government suffering this one, that there is no electricity everywhere? Because definitely the government has solar to power themselves for as long as they are going to be on that place, even if it's for the next 8 years. So why are the masses suffering this? Well, a lot of people have made it clear that the so-called Nigeria Labour Congress should not only be protesting about that money, that their minimum wage of 18. They should protest about how the country will be separated. In fact, that's what majority of people are interested in. That's exactly what we need right now, because the government, you are seeing, they have made up their minds that they want to remain at that position. One. Secondly, they don't care about the masses. They only care about themselves. Thank God we have association like the Nigerian Labour Congress. But right now, this set of people, after the meeting that the federal government had invited them for, just to negotiate, they discovered that there were presence of Nigerian soldiers. Now, the Nigerian Labour Congress have raised another alarm that because these people, they might want to blackmail them, they might want to go against their strike, that everybody needs to be watchful. The Nigerian army should not try it to say they want to attack these people. And somebody is of the opinion that is the Nigerian army not also part of what the hardship has done to all? Because I see no reason why this set of people will not even work against the federal government this time around. At least for once, God really saved us from Obi's and just see as we they enjoy the Milocon. Okay, that's what Kelly has said. That is no irony. Now, as it stands, everybody is now facing it. Either you are an Igbo man, you are a Yoruba man, either you voted for a Milocon or not. This is the time we all need to gather ourselves together. We need to tell ourselves the truth. And what is the truth? The only solution is let us get separated. divide this country jejely and wirely, because nothing is actually working. Look at what is going on right now. The hardship now as it stands, though a lot of people will be like, yes, let the Labour Congress let them punish the government, but at the end of it all, my brother, my sister, don't get it twisted. The government are still ready to steal as much as possible. The ones they have stolen, they are still spending them. They can spend those things they are stolen for the next 8 years that they are going to leave that place. Nothing will affect them. But fine, a lot of people will be like, government parastatals will definitely lost a lot of things. But do you think these people have anything to lose? But let's see and watch, because it's going to still be a shame on the federal government if all job activities are stopped anyway. And as it stands right now, everybody is of the opinion that the best thing for us right now is to go our separate ways, because this set of people will not even listen to us. They don't even care about what we are talking about. Well, according to Ansho Simon, he said, well, as if the soldiers are not part of this struggle. That's another one. What is soldiers' business in this matter? Nigerian government should just behave themselves. All right. So well, according to Akala Zifan, he said, well, the labor union should go back because they want to use force on them to accept their condition. Okay, that's another one. Everybody is talking about this, that the Labor Congress should not listen to any bribe or whatsoever, because this is exactly what has been causing commotion in the country. Yes, let your yes be yes. Let these people do the needful. So for crying out loud, my brother, my sister, what is exactly the problem of this government? Why is it that they are so selfish that they don't care about the masses? That's exactly what has pushed a lot of people to this stage, that is making everybody to say we must go our separate ways. We have said it times without number. If the federal government had done the needful, if they have done well, the stage to which we are right now, we will not even be talking about leaving the country. But the reverse had been the case. Everybody has seen it all. We have been pushed to the wall, and this is the time for us to talk. This is the time for us to retaliate, and that's exactly what we are doing. See, yes, we have we have rights to self-determination, and the time is now. So what is actually stopping us? Because we have seen it all, that this set of people are actually working for the Fulani people. Definitely, that's exactly what they are working for. Only God knows what they have signed to have made them to be wherever they are right now. But this had happened at the detriment of the masses. That's why the masses are coming out in their numbers, that we are not going to allow these people to have their way again. People are even commenting, okay, onto this one. Well, according to AGK Kevin, say, well, make soldiers go defend the territorial integrity of the nation, helping to fight Boko Haram, bandits, and the S-men. Make them allow labor to do their thing in peace. All right, that's another one. Yes, for the Labour Party, for the soldiers to be in that meeting, definitely everybody knows that this set of people have plans to work against the Labour Party, but majority of people have made it clear that that place is not where Nigerian soldiers are supposed to be. Yes, Fulani people are terrorizing everywhere. They have to go into the forest and deal with them. That's exactly what they are supposed to be doing. Not that they should not be going against the mouthpiece of the people. Somebody have made it clear that our voice now is the Labour Congress, and then this time around, this set of people need to do the needful. Yes, don't listen to them, or else it will be disastrous. Well, my brother, my sister, the cocoa right now is this: if we know what is good for ourselves, if we know what is good for us, let us forget about one Nigeria, because this set of people, they are still roaming on the same circle. That's exactly what it is. Yes, so Yoruba nation is the answer. Yoruba nation, Lafe, that's exactly what the people are talking about, and exactly what it is. What more can we say, my brother, my sister, onto this one? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.